So as you can see here, we're up in the gallery of the First United Methodist Church. I'm operating the sound equipment for the moment. We're just doing some sound checking. See Chip strumming away on his guitar down there. Lizzie is playing. And this would be the equipment we're operating here. That's Lizzie's right there. So we've got a 32 track mixer up here. Some CD players, effects, radio mics, and we go out all across into that dark space there as well, where the kids are, and also all of that space down there, and the gallery continues over there. So we're just sound checking right now for a rehearsal for Sunday, and yeah, so I just want to give you a little tour of what we do up here. The projection is run from a PC around that corner there, which goes onto that wall straight there, and also over there in the dark. Okay, so Chip's going to get ready to play. Alright, so now we've got Chip's guitar is here, as you can see. And then vocal mics here and here. This is the keyboard and the electric violin. And then all these are for different services, different microphones. We've got stuff for drum kits, various other vocal mics. There's one over here we're using for the child singers. There's the big group down there. And there we go. Alrighty, I'll catch you later. Bye.